Hello everyone, my name is Ashish Rahi, LTD Pharmacy Department, Principal Pharmacy, and today my video is about the laminar airflow. Here is you can see the laminar airflow. The laminar airflow is the working and its principle I will explain today. And this is the vertical laminar airflow. Here is the parts of the laminar airflow. Here you can see the switch of simple light and UV light. Here is the switch of simple light and UV light. And this is the laminar airflow. It is used for the aseptic condition. Here you can see in front there is a HEPA filter, that is high efficiency particulate air come out from that air, and this is the working area. Firstly we will disinfect this area, and here is the UV light. You can see the UV light of here, and there is the pressure of, that is the pressure of barometer you can see, and here is the blow while air goes in from there, that blows air, and the HEPA filter is also there, which is used for the efficient working of different types of testing and microbiological aseptic area. You can see the petri plates, and this is the wire loop for use for the sterilization. And here you can see the petri plates of different types of fungal infections and bacterial infections, and here is the nozzle for water gains, and there is a separate annualization wire loop like that. This is the basic parts of laminar airflow and basic working.